จ้าสวัสดีค่ะ
Hey, this is day one in Bangkok. We actually arrived late last night, and absolutely shattered. So this is actually the day we go out on our first adventure tour, and our first trip is to the beautiful temples of Bangkok, also known as the Grand Palace. We're actually going with a friend, this guy called Manit Mansoor. I'm really excited. He's actually a local YouTuber. Do check his channel out. I'm going to put it down in the link below. So check him out. He's got really cool videos. So we're going to go out and start filming everything, and then go to other places as well. Outside the hotel, waiting for our first ride. And
We're waiting for the hotel tuk-tuk, guys.
so this lady behind me was telling me not to walk in this heat.
Yeah.
So she's shouting at me. What did you say?
จ้าสวัสดีค่ะ
What? Son?
โอเคร้อนจังตุ๊กเดี๋ยวตุ๊กมาโอ
Right,
เค
okay. Never mind. There you go. There's our tuk-tuk.
My name is Art. I'm from Thailand, Bangkok.
Bangkok. Okay.
Okay.
So this is a free service provided by the hotel, and it just takes us from our hotel to the main road, because our hotel is actually in the middle of nowhere. For yourself, it comes every hour. Starts at 7 in the morning and finishes at 10 p.m. Quite cool here. I'm loving the views. Bit of graffiti going on in the background. Yeah, this guy from Manet Media, he's the main guy, the famous famous YouTuber in the world. Make sure you follow him. I'm gonna put a link below. Yeah.
Yeah. Link in the description. Going on the boat.
Okay, ซ้ายชิดด้านขวาครับชิดด้านขวาครับฮัลโหล
Hello, you okay?
ซ้ายพ้นก็ไม่เกิด
On a local boat. Nothing fancy. How much was it?
The ticket price was like 15 baht.
On a tourist boat, how much would it cost?
It would cost 50.
50.
Yeah, 50 on a tourist boat.
So
But come on, we're locals, man.
We don't need to go on the tourist boat, do we? The most quickest and enjoyable way to get to the temples is to jump on a boat and take a cruise on the Chao Phraya river. This is the main river of Thailand, and if you're ever in Bangkok, you've got to take a cruise on this river. The views are amazing.
Yeah, we are in Grand Palace today. Gonna be exploring some temples in here. Yeah, it's gonna be really good. Yeah.
So this is what I'm wearing. Yeah. No entry for me, unless I have covered up, of course. This is what I say I look in. So I'm gonna wear this. So
you are not allowed to wear shorts.
Your legs
who's
are
coming to Grand Palace, make sure you're wearing a full sleeve pant or a shirt. Yeah.
Not like me. Am I worthy of going to a temple?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this heat is unbearable. Probably the most sweatiest person in Thailand right now. Look at my head. Look how sweaty I am.
Look at the concentration on his face.
After a full day of filming, we decided to head towards the riverfront. There is a very popular place there called Asiatique. It's actually Bangkok's largest open-air mall. The local people go there to chill by the riverbank. We're gonna go there to fly the drone and to get some amazing sunset views.
These two are hard at work.
I'm loving the view here, you know.
Yeah,
Thanks for bringing me here anyway.
really good
That
out
Ferris
here.
wheel is amazing. I've actually got a time lapse set up on the other side. I'll show
Right,
you.
yeah.
Okay, but I want to show you something, right? Turn
what
round.
is it? What is
Turn
it?
round. Oh my god, look at that view. What the hell, man? Where have you brought
That
me?
is wicked, bro. Sick.
Look at that sunset over there.
I'll go stand here.
Okay.
End of messages.